This is Austin with One Wheel Parts, and today we're going to be installing the Squishies. These things are incredible. They are going to cut down on foot fatigue, help with vibrations on the road and the trails. Yours will come with 2 squishy pads, 2 adhesive cutouts to stick them to your foot pad, and your choice of either Hexagon or regular foam grip tape. So let's get started. Let's start with this adhesive layer. So this is very similar to putting on Hexagon over laminate. Just like for Hexagon grip tape. What you want to do, peel the back off, line it up on your front sensor, really make sure there's no ripples or air bubbles. And once you've got it lined up and centered, start from the middle and push outwards, sort of in a spiral motion. That way you don't get any air bubbles trapped, none of that. We really want this one to be flat and perfect. You can start with the back layer, that way you get a feel for how the adhesive sort of works. That way you don't have any like mess ups on the front foot pad. Alright, once we got those installed onto our foot pads, let's put some grip tape on the Squishies. We're going to be starting with Hexagon grip tape, so we're going to peel our over laminate and put it onto the Squishy just like we did the adhesive layer to the foot pad. Get it lined up, start from the middle once you've got it lined up, and press down out towards the edges, just in a spiraling motion, that way you don't trap any air bubbles. With the Squishies, they don't ever wear out, only the grip tape on the top does, so if your grip tape's starting to get frayed, normal wear and tear, you just peel the grip tape off and put a new piece on there. No need to replace the whole Squishy. Yeah, that gold underlaminate is looking nice. So let's start with our Hexagon grip. All we gotta do, peel the back side off of each Hexagon, leaving that little trim layer on the middle of them. If the middle piece does fall out, just set it to the side. We can put it on there at the end. So let's get that all lined up. Once we do, set it on there, give it a good press, maybe a few good smacks, and we'll put our final piece in with the logo, and you are ready to rock and roll. Let's get these peeled out and ready for the grand reveal. That is looking clean. For regular grip tape, it is going to be the same process, just a lot less complex. Just peel the back off, get it lined up, and press it onto there. So now that we got grip and adhesive on, let's start by putting these pads on. Let's go ahead, peel your layer off of your foot pad, grab your Squishy, get it lined up, and press it on there. You don't got to worry about air bubbles or anything like that. The Squishy naturally is perforated, so any air bubbles or anything like that will just work themselves out easily. This part is super easy to do. Give it a good firm press here, maybe a few quick smacks, and you are ready to install the rear side. Same process for the rear. Just go ahead, get that adhesive layer peeled off, line up your Squishy, press it down, give it a few good hits, and you're ready to shred the trails. Alright, now before we go shredding with these bad boys, let's check, make sure we installed these correctly. So go ahead, turn your board on. No yellow light should mean that you installed everything correctly. Double tap on both sides of the sensor, make sure nothing's sticking, and you are ready to shred. Those Squishies are looking clean. This has been Austin with One Wheel Parts. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.